guys, it's Larry. I just came outside and it's about to rain. Whoa. I don't think you can see it, but like you can see lightning strike down. It's like, but on this side it's all day, and then back to dark. Dude, it's gonna be a bad storm. Oh, there goes another one. Dude, this is not good. Oh, maybe that's why the dragonflies are out too. Yeah, this. I don't know if my phone can pick the thunder up, because it is like really loud. Oh, dude, that's like, I can, what? It's like, it looks like it's going away, but it's actually coming towards us. Oh no, this is not good, bruh. Look at it. I'm gonna get closer. Oh, here comes the heavy wind. Going closer. Dude, the wind just picked up so much. That tree, all the leaves are back here coming out. Holy cow, bro. This is bad. No, it's not gonna be bad. It's just rain. Oh, shit, it's just rain, bro. It's just rain. It's just rain, bro. It's just rain. It's just prank, bro. Holy. That's all leaves that just fell. Holy cow. All those leaves just fell from one tree. Dude. This is unbelievable. Hold on. Look. All of these leaves. Yeah. It's raining and there's a car coming. So yeah, you guys. Just showing you guys it's really raining bad. And then I don't have to wait until this car because I don't want it. And then like look at it. So see, it's just coming my way. That was a lot of leaves that fell though. I'll make a second part so I like record the rest of it. But alright. There'll be a part 2. Bye.